Lysiplex Plus Liquid is a multivitamin product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help maintain good health. It is recommended to take Lysiplex Plus Liquid as directed by a healthcare professional. It is usually taken once daily. The best time to take it is with a meal to help with absorption. When taking Lysiplex Plus Liquid, it is important to take it by mouth, usually once daily or as directed by your doctor. Follow all the directions on the product package and do not take more than the recommended dosage. It is recommended to use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the prescribed dose, and not to use a household spoon. If the liquid is a suspension, make sure to shake the bottle well before each dose. It is important to take Lysiplex Plus Liquid regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach while using Lysiplex Plus Liquid, these effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body adjusts to the medication. However, if these effects persist or worsen, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's essential to remember that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the risk of potential side effects, as determined by your doctor. Many people using Lysiplex Plus Liquid do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it is crucial to seek immediate medical help if you notice any symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so if you observe any other effects not mentioned, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It is important to keep this product out of reach of children as accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years old. If overdose does occur, it is important to seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Before taking Lysiplex Plus Liquid, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to its ingredients or if you have a history of alcohol use, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If your multivitamin also contains folic acid, let your doctor know if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. Liquid forms of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so it's important to use caution if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the products you use before having surgery, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to consult your doctor before using this medication. When taking Lysiplex Plus Liquid, it's important to consider any potential drug interactions. This means that it could change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Always keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. If your multivitamin contains iron, try to avoid taking Lysiplex Plus Liquid at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. For those who take anti-seizure drugs, such as hydantoins, and if your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about it. It's important to always follow your doctor's approval and not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without their guidance. If someone has taken too much Lysiplex Plus Liquid and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents should reach out to their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. As for the daily dosage and best timing to take Lysiplex Plus Liquid, it is recommended to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional or the product label. The benefits of taking this medication may include relief from symptoms such as cough and congestion. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that Lysiplex Plus Liquid is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's best to get your vitamins from a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given by your doctor. If you forget to take a dose of Lysiplex Plus Liquid, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Lysiplex Plus Liquid at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of the bathroom and away from children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of any leftover medication, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. For more information on how to do this, it's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.